Hello, boys and girls. I hope you are having a terrific Tuesday so far. This is our video for word of the day, so make sure you have your paper from yesterday and a pencil. I'm going to draw a line so I can see that today is a new day. And then if yesterday was the 13th, that means today is the 14th. So I'm going to write 4-14-20. So make sure you have your new date on your paper also. And today, your word of the day is ham. Say the word ham. Now write the word ham. If you need more time, go ahead and pause the video. Otherwise, we're going to get started. Ready? Get your fingers ready. Let's stretch it out. Say it fast. Ham. Good. Let's count how many sounds. Three sounds. Ham. Okay, what's our first sound in the word ham? Letter H. Making sure when you do your letter H, it's going to start at the top line and go down 2 lines and then up and over. I don't want to see any letter N's. Make sure it's an H. Letter A. Letter M. Ham. So if you notice in my writing, the bottom part of the H, A, and M are all within the same lines, making sure you're practicing the correct letter formation and size. Ham. Okay, thinking of some words that rhyme with ham. Oh, like yesterday's word ram and Sam, cam, slam, exam. Oh, there are lots of rhyming words with am. Go ahead and write your own rhyming word with ham, making sure it is a real word, not a silly word. Today I'm going to go with the word cam. I'm going to make am. Remember, when we have a rhyming word, the middle and the end is the same. That's how we know it's rhyming. The first letter always has to change. Okay, and now we need our sentence today to go with the word ham. And ham is a type of meat, and when I think of ham, I think of all the families who might be eating it on Easter this Sunday. So today I have a question for our sentence, and it is, will you eat ham for Easter? Say it with me. Will you eat ham for Easter? Count how many words. Let's do it together. Here we go. Ready? Will you eat ham for Easter? 5 and 1. How many? 6. Good. Okay, we're going to start our sentence on the line below, and we need to start with a capital letter. Will. Will is a sight word, but I can't remember if we've done it yet or not. We might not have done that one yet because I know a lot of the W ones come kind of towards the end of the year. So will, starting with your capital W, will, and making sure you have 2 L's. Will you. You is a sight word. You should know how to spell it. Make sure you have spaceman and then writing the word you. Remember, when you write letter Y, it's going to break through the ground. Your letter Y should not be starting the same as your W. It's not a capital letter. Will you, Y-O-U. Will you eat? Eat is a tricky one because let's listen to the sounds. Ready? Eat. I only hear 2 sounds, but to make it say E, we need to write E-A. Eat. So the E-A here makes it say E instead of E. Eat. Read it with me. Will you eat ham? Write the word ham. Good, let's read it. Will you eat ham for? Making sure you have your spaceman. Write the word for. For is a sight word. F-O-R. Let's read it again. Will you eat ham for Easter? Ooh, when we write Easter, just like eat, we need to do E-A. And since it's a holiday, we're actually going to make capital E, boys and girls. So capital E-A, East, Easter. Read it with me. Will you eat ham for Easter? Is this a sentence or a question? What do we need at the end? A question mark. Backward C, little line down, and a dot. Good, making sure you read it to someone else in your family, and I will see you again tomorrow. Bye, guys.